What's up, Nabs? My name is Friendly Hogan, and I am going to play something called Warrior Cats the Game, which I felt like this would be a really fun game so far. And this is going to be only part one. One, I tell you, because this game I heard it's like super long or something. Okay, so. Boop. Oh, hello. I'm Rusty. I knew exactly how the storyline goes. What? Oh, yeah. Activation code, let me see. I forgot it was on there, so. Instructions. Pause the video for a minute until I find that code. So... Okay, so I found it. It's 7991. Sorry, I'm just a really forgetful person. 9. Good, enjoy the game. There's the C button. Here it is. Now go here. Shouldn't go into this area right now. Let me see if I... Oh, maybe we go the other way. Oh crap. No, that's a beautiful picture. Bam. No! Wow, I have a lot of health. Just for my level. Critical! Why don't I? What? No! Moves. Thank you. Let's go back, moves. Straight. Hey, he mocked me. Copycat. Get it? Copycat. Miss. Thank you. Thank you. For dying. Go join the clan. Why, thank you. Where do I go? Now. I think it's by this log right here. I can't? That was over here. Might be by this tree or something. I forgot which one it was. Really did. Go through the Gorse Tunnel. It's not working! It's a Gorse Tunnel. Why isn't it? Oh, I did that. I had to talk to them. Okay, I'm just gonna go with the book. Just pick Firepaw. Oh, damn it. Wait, no, I think we just pick Fire. Not Firepaw. Ah, shit, damn! I thought I put Firepaw. I just call myself Fire. I don't know what I do next. Is this Tiger Claw? Ah, quit using me. Medium heal. Bam. Oh my god. How long will this last? I hate those medium heals, they're annoying. Especially when I almost have them. If he can heal, I can heal back. Duh! I'll heal all he wants, I'm gonna heal all I want to. Oh my god, I hate the poison! Oh, thank you. How could you have poisonous fangs or something? That's just plain unrealistic. No, I'm not. Thank God. Damn, I can't heal now. How about I just forfeit or whatever? So let me get some herbs or something. You're healing yourself is free. And Dustbot's kinda rude. You called me a cowardly idiot or whatever. Wow. Thank you. You're good. Why is that even healing? Bam! Double up. Ah, that guy's still rude, even though I am. Oh, where the heck is Blue Star? Where's Blue Star? Blue Star out here patrolling. Well, let me save now. Great power, whatever. Ah, great, not Longtail. I think we had to do Longtail first or something. Let's do this! No fair. That's just BS. Must keep fighting. Bam! Especially when I'm in Venom mode. Okay, so I guess... So I think I'm gonna be done here and see what happens to Tiger Claw in the next episode, because I'm not exactly sure what the heck is supposed to happen, because I think this is how I first got or something. Before I got in the first time I played this, so I kind of snuck a little bit and played when I was younger, so. Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye.